Welcome back to the EJ Ward Fuel View training series. In this video, we're going to go over how to deactivate and reactivate employees. To start out, we need to drop down the Asset Management folder and click into the Employees screen. So once this grid loads up, we can go ahead and search by employee number, employee name, or whatever you would like to search by. And you click onto that record, either the employee number or the employee name will take you inside of that record. Once that record fully loads up, all we need to do to deactivate the employee is we need to uncheck the fueling status, uncheck the active checkbox, and uncheck the card enabled checkbox. All three of these need to be unchecked. The active checkbox to take them out of the system, the fueling status checkbox to take them out to where they can't fuel anymore, and then the card enabled checkbox needs to be unchecked to free up that card to use again. So with our card numbers, it will recycle this card number to another employee if they want to use it. Now the way our system works is it goes all the way from the first number that you have all the way to the maximum number that you can get, and that all depends on your system. And then once that max number is hit, it goes back through the system to see all of the freed up card numbers that you have. Once all of these have been unchecked, you just come down to the bottom and click on Save. And that's going to take your employee out of the system. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK, and then we're going to close this employee record. And to see this employee record again and reactivate them, we can go ahead and click on Query, change the status to inactive, and then click on Refresh. Once we see our employee records here, we'll click on our employee record to go in again and do the exact opposite of what we did before. So we're going to click on the fueling status checkbox, the active checkbox, and the card enabled checkbox. We'll save that record, and that record will now be active and ready to fuel again. So to go back to default, we're just going to hit on Query. We're going to drop down the status box and click on Active. Click Refresh. And now we can see our employee is in the system and active, and this employee can fuel again. This concludes the video on how to deactivate and reactivate your employees. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.